Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Any of you guys having a BMW 3 or 4 Series, guys, trying to find your brake vacuum pump, stay with us and we will show you guys where it's located in case you need to replace it. Now, if you want to see the replacement video, guys, stay with us, we'll explain about that as well. As you know, 3 and 4 Series BMW, guys, they share the same platform. Many of the components are the same, they use the same engine, so it will apply to both of them. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the shop, on this channel we make at least 200 videos, guys, showing you how to fix things, where things are located. But if you want to see more mechanical videos and taking the whole car completely apart pretty much, we make more than 300 videos. It will be on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys, check it out. Why we guys do all that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy replacement parts to use new brake vacuum pump, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get our parts from. So this is a 2013 BMW that we'll be working on, so we'll show you guys where it's located. The location video will be today. Replacement video, guys, we have it on our main channel. As I said, it's called Auto Repair, guys, check it out. If you want to see electrical videos for that BMW, they will be coming on this channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. That's our third channel, guys. So now right here, guys, okay, this is your engine cover. We'll need to go ahead and remove the engine cover. You have, guys, 3 holders, okay, one here, and one right there. So pop it up, just grab it, and then you need to lift up and slide out, okay. And the things that attach, okay, now we're talking about 1, 2, 3, and I'll show you guys, okay, on the back it slides right here. Those are the guides, and we'll show you, okay, where it attaches to. So now right here, this is one of them, okay, one of the mounts that it attaches to, second one and third one here. Then we're going to lift, okay, that insulation here, we'll get it out, and your brake pump, guys, brake vacuum pump. Now in order to remove and replace it, you have to remove, guys, your windshield wiper trim, okay, that whole trim will need to come out. Why? Simply, guys, because, okay, that thing is actually located, the brake vacuum pump, it's on the very back side, okay, on the very back side, on the intake camshaft, okay, on the intake camshaft, on the very back side, it has 3 bolts with Torx 40, guys, Torx 40 star looking bit, okay, that's what the Torx bits look like, guys, Torx 40, and you have 3 bolts that you need to remove and replace. Now remove in order to replace that brake vacuum pump. You have 2 hoses that attach to it, one going to the brake booster, another one is a vacuum line as well. So check this thing out, guys. But if you want to see the replacement video, it will be on Auto Repair, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.